In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. After that, scroll down again and click on Font section. Lastly, click on the best font style for you. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you and save it by choosing Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!